Good morning, I'm Trevor, and welcome to the JPEG Experience. It is a few minutes before sunrise, and I am planning on heading out to the Griffith Observatory here in Los Angeles. I don't have much of a game plan. I'm planning on just taking some shots and scouting the area for, perspectives and locations that I can use in the future. The sun is coming up pretty quick, and I better hustle. So let's go. It's right around sunrise, and I'm headed off to go do a little photography. So come along and enjoy.
In the sweet despair, I find something true that I like. I won't stress you, dear. I know that you made up your mind. Pretending that nothing has changed. Time is my only escape. I know that I lost you that night. I know that you've already left me. Anger won't bother me now. There's no one to blame for your love. In the sweet despair, a broken heart's lying down. I won't hurry, dear. I'm breathing as long as you're around.
Alright, so I am in Griffith Park. This is a pretty cool spot. You got downtown, you got the observatory right down there. This spot's unique because it's got perspective on the obelisk right in the middle of the observatory. So I got a couple cool shots there. I got here late. Sun is already up. Pictures aren't all that great, but it's a scouting trip, and kind of curious to test out this GoPro and see if this time warp is pretty cool, and if it captures the experience like I hope it does. So, all right, back to it. So I just got back home. I'm looking forward to checking out the images and the footage I was able to get. I don't have high expectations. The lighting wasn't great. I got there a little late. Probably should have been there an hour and a half earlier than what I was. But overall, I think the trip was a success. I was able to use the opportunity to test out the GoPro, which is pretty cool. So shout out to my buddy Nick. Thank you for letting me borrow the GoPro. Also, the scouting out, I was able to find some cool spots, some cool perspectives I'll definitely be able to use in the future. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I will definitely post some more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.